Hi friends, today I am going to show you guys how to remove person, people or anything from the photos. Sometimes while taking photos, a sudden person or people appear and we want to remove them. In this case, this easy trick will help us in removing extra person. Let's move to the Photoshop. I have already imported an image in Photoshop and right now the tool is selected is the Move tool. First of all, I'll duplicate the layer by pressing the Ctrl J key, or I can also drag this image to on this small icon to create a duplicate layer. Now I'll turn off this layer so that my original image will remain in its original form, and then I'll select any of the selecting tool because I want to select both of these ladies because I want to remove these two ladies from my photograph. I'll simply select the object selection tool, or you can also select any of the selecting tool, or you can also select a quick selection tool. Right now I'll go with the object selection tool. With the help of object selection tool, you can see here the mode. Mode is selected to lasso. With the help of lasso, I can easily freely select both of these girls and sample or layers are selected. I'll simply click and drag my cursor and roughly I'll select both of these ladies. The object selection tool is very powerful tool. It is selected both of these two girls. Now I'll go to the menu bar and click on the select and then click on the modify. And after selecting the modify, I'll click on the expand. And here the expand by 6 pixels. It is okay for me. And then I'll press OK. My selection is expanded. And now I'll again go to the edit and select the fill option. A fill dialog box appear. In the contents, I'll select the content aware. Kept in mind, always select the content aware and then press OK. Boom! The both of these two ladies disappear. And then I'll press the Ctrl D key to deselect my image. You can see here the edges. We can fix it with the help of spot healing brush. You can see here spot healing brush. I'll select it and I'll resize my cursor and little bit zoom in the image. And with the help of space bar, I'll fix these by simply dragging my cursor. You can see how nicely these tools are. I'll simply click and drag. I'll also fix it. And the rest of the image is fine. Let me zoom out the image by pressing the Ctrl 0 key. And now I also want to remove these three guys. I'll simply select the object selection tool and again roughly select these guys. Okay, the selection is much more better. With the help of quick selection tool, I'll select the quick selection tool and little bit zoom in the image, and with the help of spacebar, I'll drag my image and select this area also, and also select this area which is not selected, and rest of the image is fine. Now I'll again go to the select and click on the modify and again expand the image to something like 8 pixels and press OK. I am expanding my selection because the content aware pick the colors from the nearest part. Therefore I am expanding the selection, and then again I'll go to the edit and click on the fill, and then again the content aware is selected and then I'll press OK. Boom, the three guys remove in no time. I'll press the Ctrl D key to deselect the selection, and then I'll go with the spot healing brush and little bit zoom in the image, and then I'll fix these spots. Now I want to remove this area. I also want to hide this. Therefore, I'll right click and select the patch tool and select this area which I want to remove, and then click and drag to the nearest area. And then press the Ctrl D key. Much better. I'll fix rest of the image with the help of a spot healing brush. I'll simply click and drag the edges. Looking much better. Let me press the Ctrl 0 key to fit the image on the screen. Now you can see the people easily remove in no time. It is simple and easy. I hope this tutorial will help you, and if you want to ask anything regarding this tutorial, then please leave a comment. We'll reply you as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.